And happy new year to all my friends and family watching me on YouTube now. Thank you for joining me now. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share. We are going to look at how to design a happy new year and then with your name in your t-shirt for a blaster of Ghana. So let's venture into what we're going to do. So you take any browser of your choice and search for Beam Image Creator. Beam Image Creator. You search for Beam Image Creator. When you search, click on Beam Image Creator, it will come this way. You click on the first link, images with Beam Image Creator. So you click on that one and wait for some time. And now it will come this way. By a newcomer watching this video or first timer watching this video, you need to sign into this one with your Google account to enable you to have access to this one. Without signing in, you will not be able to have access to this one. So now we have come here with how to write our prompt to get our desired realistic images. Now we'll write our prompt. So I'm having a prompt, so I'll paste it here and put the same prompt and the video description below. So if you need the same prompt, you check it on my video description. So let's put the prompt and read it. This is how my prompt goes. This is how my prompt go. This is how my prompt go. The prompt is, let's read the prompt and continue. The prompt is saying, the prompt, realistic, a 10-year-old cute boy wearing a Ghana Black star t-shirt with name AYUBA, holding the flag of Ghana. Happy New Year 2024 will be shown written on the poster above the road side with balloon calendar, kenten cloth, picture, high quality detailed photo. Thank you. So this is how my prompt is. So let's create and see. You click on create. So and again, let's wait for it to generate the images for us. It is generating the images. So let's wait for it to generate the images for us. So before you see that my own has come to 0 because it has come to 0 because I've used all my points. Now I will not be able to use again. So every day they give you 15 points. So I'm able to use all the 15. So I will not be able to have access to Beam AI for today. So let's check about the images that we have searched for. These are the images. Amazing images. Amazing images. Amazing images. This is what we have searched for, and this is the result that we are getting. And this is the results that we are getting. You see that they are amazing. So we always do it for fun. For fun. So these are amazing pictures that you are seeing. You can use them for your profile to surprise your friends. You can put your name there so that you will be able to surprise your friends today. See how the images are amazing. So that is how it is. This is another one I've created. So this is another one I've created with the same prompt. So the prompt is just a words put together to describe the images that you want. So that is how it is. And to give you these images. These are the images that they provide to us. So these are the images. So thank you for watching. We'll end the video here and we'll continue in our next meeting. Continue to watch here for amazing prompt. Continue to watch this on my channel for amazing prompt. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share it. I will give you amazing prompt always. Thank you.